In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the HoneyBook Help Center. Support Articles 2026. The Help Center is where HoneyBook keeps its official support articles, walkthroughs, and answers to common questions. It's the fastest way to get reliable guidance straight from the source, whether you're setting up your account or troubleshooting something specific. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to honeybook.com. You don't need anything special here, just a modern browser and a stable internet connection. Once the site loads, look for the option to log in. Enter your credentials as you normally would. If your account has extra security turned on, complete any verification prompts to finish signing in. Keep your login details private and make sure you're on the official site before proceeding. After you log in, you'll land on your HoneyBook dashboard. This is your main workspace, and it gives you a snapshot of what's happening in your business. Things like recent activity, upcoming items, or quick access to commonly used tools. Take a moment to let the dashboard load fully so everything displays correctly. Next, look to the left side of the screen. That left-hand bar is your main navigation. It's the hub for moving around HoneyBook, and it stays consistent so you can always find your way back. If you're on a smaller screen, you might see a compact version or an icon-only view, but it's the same navigation area. Within that navigation panel, find and click on Resources. This section groups together the learning and support materials HoneyBook provides to help you get the most out of the platform. It's a great place to head anytime you need clarity or want to learn a new feature. From the Resources menu, select Help Center. When you click it, the Help Center will open in a new browser tab. Give it a second to load. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a clean layout with a prominent search bar and clearly organized topics. Once the Help Center is open, you'll see categories and a search tool that make it easy to locate what you need. Articles are written to be practical and step-by-step, so you can follow along while you work in your account. If you're exploring something new, browsing the relevant category can be especially helpful. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to access the HoneyBook Help Center. Keep this path in mind. Log in, head to the left navigation, open Resources, then choose Help Center. It's a simple route that leads straight to accurate, up-to-date answers whenever you need them.